The footage captures a worker either seated at a control panel or positioned extremely close to an operating industrial robot. In an instant, the worker appears to make an operational mistake or activates the wrong control sequence, causing the robot arm to shoot forward or rapidly extend. The arm strikes the worker with significant force in the head area. This incident created a severe blunt force impact hazard from the robot's moving components. It serves as a crucial reminder that strict safety rules require clearly labeled emergency stops and correct sequencing during all robotic operations. It stresses the absolute importance of maintaining a safe distance from the robot's active motion range, especially during manual input or programming, to prevent life-threatening struck-by injuries. The footage also shows a worker positioned near the machine's moving parts, specifically in the mold closing zone. The worker stepped directly into the closing path of the mold platens while the machine was still cycling. The mold instantly closed with massive force, striking and trapping the worker. This catastrophic incident created a high-risk crush and pinch point hazard due to the machine's powerful closing mechanism. It serves as a critical warning that lockout-tagout procedures must be followed before anyone enters or reaches into hazardous areas. It highlights the essential need for machine guarding and safety interlocks to prevent severe crushing injuries. The footage clearly captures two workers carrying out tasks around a tanker's containment section. Without warning, a spark or heat source ignited accumulated flammable vapors inside or around the vehicle. This ignition triggered a violent explosion and a massive fireball that quickly engulfed the surrounding area. This catastrophic event produced an extreme burn, blast, and heat exposure hazard. It stands as a serious warning that all ignition sources must be eliminated and proper ventilation must be ensured when working near volatile vapors. It emphasizes the absolute requirement of following strict safety procedures for hazardous materials and conducting thorough risk assessments to prevent deadly fires and explosions. Another clip shows a worker handling material extremely close to a high-speed rotating shaft. Suddenly, the material becomes jammed or gets pulled into the rotating mechanism, instantly dragging the worker into the spinning shaft. This catastrophic event created an immediate and severe entanglement and crush hazard from the high-speed rotation. It reinforces the importance of installing strong machine guards around rotating shafts and nip points. It stresses following safety procedures that require using the right tools, avoiding work near unguarded moving parts, and applying lockout-tagout before clearing jams to prevent life-threatening entrapment. The footage also shows a woman helping unload materials from a truck bed. Due to a moment of inattention or loss of grip, a container slipped from her hands and fell hard to the ground. Upon hitting the surface, the cargo exploded, sending a powerful blast and debris throughout the area. This catastrophic event created a severe blast, impact, and chemical hazard. It serves as a firm reminder that proper identification and safe handling procedures are mandatory for all potentially volatile or pressurized items. It emphasizes strict adherence to safety rules requiring proper handling tools and PPE when working with unknown or high-risk materials to prevent devastating explosion-related injuries. Another part of the footage shows a worker handling material dangerously close to a high-speed operating saw blade. Without warning, the worker's hand or finger comes into direct contact with the running blade. This catastrophic moment created an extreme cutting, pinching, and severe laceration hazard due to the rapidly spinning blade. It highlights the critical need to maintain a safe distance from the active blade and to always use push sticks or material guides when feeding stock. It stresses the absolute requirement of correct guard positioning and never placing hands inside the danger zone to prevent serious cutting injuries. The footage then shows an excavator lifting a large, uneven, or extremely heavy rock toward a truck bed. Because of the excessive weight and unstable center of gravity, the moment the load touches the truck, the vehicle overturns onto its side. The driver reacts quickly and jumps out of the cab just in time as it tips over. This event created a significant vehicle overturn and crush hazard. It serves as a clear warning that accurate load assessment and strict respect for vehicle stability limits are essential before performing heavy loading. It emphasizes the need for proper heavy equipment suited to the load and maintaining a safe distance during loading operations to prevent dangerous overturns. The video also documents a severe railway incident where several individuals were standing dangerously close to active train tracks. As the train approached, one person failed to move back to a safe distance and was struck with force. This created an extreme impact hazard. It serves as an urgent warning that entering or lingering near active railway lines without authorization is strictly forbidden. Everyone must follow rail safety rules and maintain a wide exclusion zone to prevent fatal collision injuries. Another segment shows a crane lifting a massive load or operating with the boom extended at a long radius. Suddenly, because the load exceeded the crane's safe working capacity, or due to unstable ground or outrigger failure, the crane lost stability and toppled completely. This catastrophic collapse created a severe crush and impact hazard from falling equipment and load. It highlights that safety protocols require thorough checking of load charts, evaluating ground stability, and respecting lifting limits. It stresses the absolute need to set up strict exclusion zones and never operate beyond the crane's safe operating range to avoid devastating collapses. A mechanic working under a heavy vehicle supported on a hoist. Suddenly, another person approaches and interferes with the lift controls. This action immediately destabilizes the system, causing the vehicle to drop to the ground. Luckily, the mechanic reacts instantly and escapes the danger zone, narrowly avoiding a major crush injury. This serves as a strong warning that lockout-tagout is mandatory and unauthorized access to lifting controls must never be allowed. It emphasizes the critical importance of maintaining a controlled work zone and following strict safety procedures to prevent lift collapses and crush hazards.